Next page number 261, problem number 2. Page number 261, problem number 2. The mass of hydrogen molecule is 3.32 10 power minus 24 gram. If 10 power 23 hydrogen molecules per second strike 2 centimeter square of wall at angle 45 with normal, when moving with a speed 10 power 5, the pressure exerted on the wall nearly. Actually, it is a wall. A gas molecule collide the wall. A gas molecule collide the wall at angle. A gas molecule collide the wall at angle 45 degrees with normal. It is normal, boss. It is normal. A gas molecule mass m. It is moving with velocity v. So its momentum value m into v. Its momentum is mv. It makes an angle 45 with normal. And a rebound with the same momentum. A gas molecule mass m, it is moving with velocity v, strike the wall. It is wall, boss. It is wall. At angle 45 degrees with normal. It is called normal. It is called wall. Okay. At angle 45 with normal. A gas molecule is moving with velocity v, strike the wall at angle 45 with the normal, and a rebound with the same angle with the same momentum. Rebound with same angle and same momentum. Now pressure exerted. Actually, initial momentum value mv. It rebound with same velocity. What is momentum, boss? What is momentum? Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Mass into velocity is called momentum. So this gas molecule mass what? M. Velocity v. So its momentum is m into v. Initial momentum mv. It rebound with same momentum. It rebound with same angle and same momentum also. Same mass, same velocity. Okay. Now here momentum is vector. Resolve the momentum into two components. Initial momentum mv. Along horizontal its momentum mv cos 45. Along horizontal its momentum is mv cos 45. Along vertical mv sin 45. Momentum value mv. Along horizontal mv cos 5, along vertical mv sin 45. What is final momentum? mv. Again momentum result two components. It is momentum mv, direction mv. Along horizontal its momentum mv cos 45. Along vertical mv sin 45. Okay. mv cos mv sin. Final momentum mv. Along horizontal mv cos mv sin. Actually, the change in momentum along the wall. Along the wall, what is change in momentum? It is final momentum. It is initial. Change means final momentum minus initial. Okay. It is final momentum. Final momentum mv sin 45. Direction is minus j cap. Initial momentum mv sin 45 direction minus j cap. mv sin 45 minus j cap. mv sin 45 minus j cap. Its value what? 0. The change in momentum along the wall. Change in momentum along the wall is 0 because final momentum, initial momentum along the wall, same magnitude and same direction. mv sin 45 minus j minus mv sin 45 minus j. Here minus plus is positive value, negative value. We got 0. Okay. Here no space. I am arranging this. Change in momentum perpendicular to wall. It is wall. Change in momentum perpendicular to wall. Okay, boss. That is equal to final momentum minus initial momentum. Final minus initial. It is final momentum. mv cos 45. What is direction? Direction minus I cap minus initial momentum. Initial value mv cos 45. Direction I cap. mv cos 45 minus I cap. mv cos 45 I cap. Its value 2mv cos 45 minus I cap. This is the formula for change in momentum perpendicular to wall. The perpendicular to wall change in momentum value 2mv cos 45 minus I cap. So minus I cap. Okay, then calculate. First I am erasing here, no space. Actually force on wall. Force equal to rate of change of momentum. Here force equal to change in momentum. Change in momentum value 2mv cos 45 by 2mv cos 45 by time. Okay. It is only for one gas molecule. Okay. Here how many molecules are there? 10 power 23 gas molecules into n, into number of. Actually, this is force on wall. This is force on wall by one gas molecule. If one gas molecule collide, it is the force. If n gas molecules collide the wall, then what is force? F is equal to n into 2mv cos 45 by t. This is the force. It is the force for n gas molecules. What is n by t? Number of gas molecules per second. It is given 1 second. N given, mass given, velocity given, cos 45 1 by root 2. Then calculate pressure. Okay. Pressure formula. Pressure is equal to force by area. Pressure equal to force by area. Pressure equal to force by area. First calculate force. Number of gas molecule given, mass of gas molecule given, velocity given, cos 45 1 by root 2. Time is given 1 second. Then pressure equal to force by area. What is the area? Area also given. Area given 2 centimeters square. Okay. It is pressure force. The question number 2 and question number 5. Question number 2 and question number 5 same.